Welcome to Crack the Code on GST. Today we are going to understand very interesting and important case law that is from Karnataka High Court on section 74, that is of NCS Pearson in. As far as the background of the case is concerned, it goes like this. The NCS Pearson is a company which creates a platform for any candidate writing online examination. Say we can bifurcate their services into three types. In type 1, the candidate can choose like the date and time of examination. Everything comes online, the question paper comes online, the answer is also submitted online. It's a multiple choice question, which is typically GMAT exams are conducted. So it happens across the world. So when you come to type 2 type of examination, wherein the candidate can select the place where they want to come and write the examination physically, the question paper will come in the online portal where they have the option of attempting it through multiple choice questions. But the thing is that it will be administered by a invigilator and it will be conducted in a physical place of his choice. So this is the type 2. When it comes to type 3, there are multiple choices as well as the essay type. It will also be administered by a invigilator. It will be a physical examination of his choice, and everything else happens through online. So the essay type of answers will also have to be submitted online, and the result comes at a later point of time. So this is the three types of services provided by NCS Pearson company as far as India is concerned. Now the question before the authorities, advanced ruling authorities raised by the company is concerned, number 1, as far as the type 1 is concerned, it is very clear that it is a OIDAR. To clarify this matter, the company approached the advanced ruling authority to understand whether the type 2 category, that means through an invigilator when the exams are conducted, whether the services will fall under OIDAR services or not. And number 3, where the test results and the essay type of answers are sent back to the foreign country and then evaluated and sent back, whether that will also qualify as a OIDAR services or not. That was the question placed before the advanced ruling authority. The advanced ruling authority ruled that yes, with respect to the type 2, it is not a OIDAR services, whereas the type 3 is a OIDAR services. So before getting into the nitty-gritties of whether it is taxable or why the matter was referred to advanced ruling authorities, first we will understand what is OIDAR services is about and what is the general taxability with respect to IGST Act. The section 217 of the IGST Act defines what an OIDAR services is all about. OIDAR services is online information database access or retrieval services. This is mediated by technology, purely done through the internet without human intervention, and without internet this services cannot be rendered. Say for example, if any online gaming, or it can be cloud services, or any database services, or downloading of movies, or any kind of pictures, or any kind of services that are done through internet falls under the OIDAR services. As far as the taxability is concerned, it is very clear. If it is a OIDAR services rendered to a registered entity, then it falls under RCM. If it is rendered to an individual, then it comes under forward charge. That means that the foreign supplier will have to take a registration in India and then he has to charge under forward charge. Whereas if it is a non-OIDAR services, there is an exemption notification number 9, entry number 10, which says that in case of non-OIDAR services rendered to a person, it is exempted. That means that this non-OIDAR services is what we have to understand very clearly. So to determine the taxability, it is essential to test whether the services are falling under OIDAR services or not. So let's understand what are the essential features that are to be tested. Number 1 is that the service that is rendered should essentially be through internet or electronic network. Number 2 is that it should be automated. Number 3 is that the delivery should happen with minimal human intervention. Number 4 is that the service should become impossible without the intervention of information technology. So unless and until these 4 tests are qualified or passed through, the services cannot be called as a OIDAR services. The advanced ruling authority passed an order stating that type 2 services are concerned, it is a OIDAR service. It means that forward charge is applicable. As far as the type 3 is concerned, it is not a OIDAR services. It means that it is exempted as per notification number 9, entry 10. Later what happened, agreed by this order of advance ruling authority, the CGST department went for appellate authority for advance ruling. There the reason that order got reversed. They held that either type 2, type 3 or whatever it is, everything will fall under OIDAR services. It means that it is liable for taxation under forward charge. Agreed by this order, the company NCS Pearson filed a writ petition before the High Court of Karnataka. Meanwhile, the department what it did, it issued a notice, show cause notice under section 74 stating that there is a willful default and suppression of facts. Whereas the matter is pending before the High Court. At the same time, the department having fully aware of the fact that the matter was taken to appellate authority of advance ruling, still they went ahead and issued the show cause notice. After the show cause notice, the company filed a writ petition challenging the show cause notice, stating that when the department has clear data about the company and the matter is pending before the High Court on the classification issue, how can the department issue under section 74? The High Court analyzed the writ petition and passed an order stating that when the matter is sub judice, the department is wrong in issuing a show cause notice under section 74 and it has to be quashed. So this is very interesting judgment and in favor of the assessee. Let's learn more from these kind of judgments. Stay tuned for more updates on GST. Bye from CS Jata.